The 2015 Ford Fusion. You can have both. Impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, air conditioning, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.